Have you ever thought that if someone suddenly falls in front of you and his pulse becomes weak and unstable, then what will you do? So let's learn this thing together, that what should we do in such situations. Have you ever heard the name of basic life support? BLS is a set of techniques which are used in any emergency situation to save someone's life. BLS techniques can be of many types, which can be helpful in saving the life of a cardiac arrest patient. The most important technique among these is Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation CPR, in which the patient's pulses are recovered using chest compressions and rescue breaths. Through CPR technique, oxygenated blood can be circulated in the body, which increases the chances of saving life. CPR procedure. If you ever see someone who suddenly falls on the ground and his pulse heartbeat stops, then immediately call the emergency service and until the emergency response team reaches. Immediately start CPR to save the patient. The method of this technique is that the patient should be laid on a flat surface and a hand should be placed between his chest so that the palm of the hand comes on the chest and the other hand should be placed on the first hand. In this way, start compressing the patient's chest quickly, and after about 30 compressions, open the patient's airways and close the lips and give 2 breaths and keep looking at his chest between every breath. Keep doing this until the emergency services reach or the patient comes to life. Remember that before applying CPR on a patient, it is necessary to take proper training and certificate. Apart from CPR, another important technique is automated external defibrillators AED, which can help the patient's heart to normalize through electric shock. These defibrillators are usually found in airports, malls, parks and gyms, and it is very important to use them properly. Apart from CPR and automated external defibrillators, recovery position of a patient is also included in BLS techniques. The technique of recovery positions is used to open the patient's airways. Similarly, bleeding control techniques are also included in BLS, which are helpful in stopping excessive bleeding in an emergency situation. We will discuss all other BLS techniques one by one in detail in our upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.